Account locked on Lightspeed App Fix. You log into your Lightspeed trading app and suddenly, access is denied, your account is locked. If this has happened to you, don't panic. It's actually one of the most common security measures in place to protect active traders like you. Lightspeed locks accounts mainly for security reasons. Too many failed password attempts, login attempts from new devices, or incomplete verification documents. Sometimes the platform will also automatically lock accounts during compliance reviews to ensure all trading data is secure and up to date. The first thing you should do is stop trying to log in repeatedly. Instead, click on Forgot Password on the login page. You'll receive a password reset email. Use it to set a new, strong password, then try logging in again after a short wait. If that doesn't work, reach out to Lightspeed support team directly through their help page or by calling their customer service. Provide your full name, registered email, and any recent account activity details. They may ask for ID verification or a security question to confirm ownership before unlocking your account. If your account was locked for compliance or kick verification, simply follow the email instructions to submit the necessary documents like a driver's license or proof of address. To avoid future issues, make sure your security information is updated, enable two-factor authentication, and always log in from a trusted device. A locked Lightspeed account may feel inconvenient, but it's there to ensure your funds and trading data remain safe. Once you verify your identity and reset your credentials, you'll be back in control and trading without interruptions.